one third of water that comes to India are originating from foreign countries. Whatever river starts from other countries. Hi. One of the most important part of your preparation for group discussions and maybe the VAT is, and to some extent your interview is to know the current affairs, what's happening about. And one good source is your editorials, your articles in newspapers, opinions, etc. So what we'll be doing in these series of videos is take up a few articles and try to analyze them. Look at what is important and what is you can ignore. What you need to keep note of and what you can, just let go. So let's look at a few articles and just see how it goes. So a brief idea about each editorial. You can read the editorial, take your time, but we're looking at important opinions, important events, and trying to go about it. Now, this is a December 1st, 2020 Hindustan Time editorials. Okay, so if I'm looking at the editorial, the topic is Super Dam by China on Brahmaputra River. So, important context considering the future and considering that China has become an important topic of late. So, I think it's important to understand this topic a little bit. So I would be doing a brief idea on what has been come on the topic, but I think you should also go about reading it a little bit in detail from the internet, etc. So what are the major points of editorials? So one is a dam is being built in Brahmaputra River. The same river in China is called the Yarlung Zangbo River, right? So the whole river passes from origins from Tibet, okay, Tibet Autonomous Region (TAR), that's what they call. Starts from there, moves into Arunachal Pradesh, and then goes to Assam before going to Bangladesh. This is the route of the whole river which is there, right? And a major source of water, one of the big rivers in the world. So Brahmaputra River. So what is China building? China is building a dam called the Three Gorges Dam. It is supposed to be the largest installed. So it is three times the China Three Gorges Dam. So it's going to build a super dam, which is called a super dam, which is actually three times as large as Three Gorges Dam. And Three Gorges Dam itself is the largest installed hydropower capacity in the world. Okay, so it's going to be a huge, the biggest installed hydropower capacity in the world. I mean, three times already the largest means it's going to be a big, big dam. Therefore, it's called a super dam, right? So that's what China is building out there, and this is going on for some time. So what is so important? I mean, how does building a dam makes a difference as such? Okay, understand the whole context behind it. China has 20% of world population and 7% of water resource. Understand this data. This data is important for your, for a VAT topic and for your GD if you have any. So know this data. You can maybe use this data at some particular point of time. India has 17% of world population and less than 4% of water resource. You can understand world is going to water crisis, so India is even further in problem because of the less. And on that, the one third of water that comes to India are originating from foreign countries. Whatever river starts from other countries, right? One of them is part of Brahmaputra starts from Tibet. Okay, some of the parts. So why is water so important? Because as and when we grow, and the climate crisis that is happening right now, I mean, more growth of any country means you require more water for a lot of other purposes. Okay, water will be required. Also, the climate crisis is creating a problem in terms of scarcity of water. So that means both this could create more demand for water, and there could be a major water crisis in the two countries in the future. A huge water crisis. Okay, and that time the water will be important. So, moment China can create a dam out there, it can also ensure that it can control the flow of water. So when it requires, it can remove the water from for its own use, and that could be a major problem for water requirement for the country, right? So India is also to counter China is thinking of building a dam on Indian side, okay? But there are a lot of logistical issues in building a dam. So it has not yet gone ahead with a project, but the recent news, yesterday's news was that India is contemplating on building a dam, but not that easy. So one of the best solution that was mentioned is you need to have a dialogue with China and try to rectify this. Either try to stop them from creating a dam or some other way. So bilateral dialogue is what is the solution maybe for this particular problem which is at hand, right? So you can go to the link. I mean, I've just explained you the context of the whole. You can, if you want, you can read a editorial, or you can read any further um, concepts on this particular topic. Google it and check it out. Important topic in terms of water crisis across the globe. You can use this topic in terms of natural resources and other aspects as well. And the content, the topic numbers mentioned out here is important. I would recommend you to note it down in a separate book so you can have it handy whenever you want to remember it. Okay, this is part of the Rochelle D'Souza GDPR VAT SOP, where we train you for specifically for group discussion interview, VAT, and statement of purpose. Thank you. See you in the next session.